To warranty or not to warranty? That is the question today. So here's the deal. I was on Facebook a few weeks ago and I seen a post of some writer in a group that I'm in asking a question, and it was to warranty or not to warranty. So let me give you my personal experience. I have warranty on my bike. I paid for it. It wasn't cheap, but when I bought the bike, and I bought the bike used, it's a 2015 Ultra Limited, and I have done that for my previous bikes also. So during the purchase, I would get the warranty, and I would probably get the warranty for the life of the loan. Now, why would you get a warranty? Well, I could name a few. And you know what? And in no particular order, I'm gonna tell you what I think they are. And if I'm missing anything, please comment below. Here are the pros. Now, you know that these motorcycles are just machines, right? And things happen even to brand new bikes coming out of the showroom floor. And you know things are gonna happen. So your warranty is going to cover all this stuff. Now, they do not cover wear and tear like clutch, brakes, and whatever other thing. So anyway, you take your bike to the shop, and let's say, you know, for a used bike, you got to get your heated grips fixed, you got to get a new belt, you got to get I don't know, whatever, anything that's under warranty. Now, the labor cost is very expensive, so I think that this is going to cover it. So to me, it pays for itself. I live in New York City, and so I come to the dealerships here, you know what, I'm not going to mention any names, but at $120 an hour, I don't even know if it has gone up since all this COVID stuff. Things have gotten really expensive, you know, so who knows? So the least to say, the labor is covered. So here's another pro. The copay, it's only $50. So if your bill comes out to like $1,000, and as much as $2,000, whatever, you pay $50. I mean, is that like great or what? It's like going to the doctor, you know, when you use your medical insurance. You see your private doctor, and your copay is $50, and some places are $75. It just depends on, you know, certain things when it comes to medical. But, you know, with HD, Harley Davidson, it's $50. So I could go in there and have 3 different things being serviced under warranty, and it's only going to cost me $50, not more. I could bring the bike in the next day for something else, you know, they overlooked and it needs to be fixed. So the thing is that if you go to the dealership in one sitting of the bike, you'll just pay the $50. But if you have something else going on and you and the dealer overlooked it, they're gonna want to charge you another $50. That's the only thing. So you go in there, you want to have or check your bike for everything that needs to be warranted, and have it done in one sitting. $50. That's it. Now, I'm not sure about this other pro, but when you purchase a bike, you're gonna buy whatever time, or you know, how many years you want your bike warranted for. So you buy a brand new bike, you're gonna get included, I think it's 2 years, and on a used bike you get 1 year. So me, like I said before, I'm gonna buy a warranty for the extent of the life of the the loan, of the bike. Now, I think that it's better to do this during your purchase, because when your warranty is up and they notify you that your warranty is expiring and you want to continue a warranty, they're gonna, I'm not sure if this is true, but I think it's a little more expensive than when you should have bought it during your purchase. But please check on that if I'm wrong, but I think it is. So here's another pro. When you sell your bike, you can transfer your warranty to the new owner of the bike, or you can get your money back. Or when you buy a brand new bike as a trade-in, you can add that whatever is left on your warranty and swing it over to your new bike, and you don't have to pay so much again. But you still, like I say, you only get 2 years, and if you only had 2 years left on your extended warranty, that only makes up 4. So you want to add a little more to that, because I think everyone should, in my opinion, you should have enough warranty until the loan is up. That way, you don't have to come out of pocket all the time. Here's another cool thing about the warranty. You can go to any dealership and have work done to your bike. I mean, how cool is that? You could be out of your own state on a trip, and something happens, and it's the whatever problem you have is under warranty. You could go to the nearest dealership, drop your bike off, have them do the work, and I think that most dealerships that know that you're from out of state will take care of you. They will put you ahead of the line. They're not gonna put your bike on hold while you're on a trip with your fellas and stuff like that, and they're gonna get your bike out. And I've read that in many forums where they've had this done. Even friends of mine who had warranty work during a nice ride trip somewhere in way out of state, somewhere in the U.S. And they take care of you. And the coolest part about that is there are so many dealers around the U.S. that you could be within 50 miles of where you are stuck or whatever. They'll come pick you up. I mean, hopefully it's not after hours and, you're kind of screwed on that one. You will have to wait till the next day. But either way, you're doing your day trip. You're not really riding at night, especially in rural areas, So they'll come and get you, take your bike, bring it to the dealership, work on the problem, and get your ass out of the door. How cool is that? Now, let's talk about parts again. Now, here's a question. What is the most expensive part of your bike? Engine, clutch, transmission? I mean, those are the biggest major components of your bike. So having, your warranty is going to take care of this problem, because this is out of your control. So it's not like they're going to make you come up with cash for this thing. It's a warranty problem. Much other things, like I mentioned before, brakes and clutch, they're not going to cover that as far as wear and tear stuff. That's your problem. But, man, can you imagine your engine goes out and you need a new one? Man, it's covered. They're going to get you a new one. They're going to throw one in there. Fix your transmission, and whatever other major components you have. It's all covered. Can you imagine all these crazy big problems and you do not have warranty on your bike? Oh man, that is going to add up big time. I mean, really, just look at it like this, man. You got a peace of mind because you have warranty on your bike. It's all covered. No major problems except a $50 copay. Just because it cost you, what, $2,000, $3,000 for some warranty that you may never use. Who the hell knows? That's the problem. You don't know if you're gonna need it. I hear some people in some of the groups saying, it's a waste of money after you paid for it because you're never gonna need it. Well, let's hope not, and you don't need it. But at least when it comes down where something shit is happening and you have the warranty, there you go. You're covered. You know, that's the coolest shit you could have. To me, it's just worth it, no matter what. I'm gonna continue buying warranty. I'm just a regular Joe Schmo. I'm a custom mechanic. I'm an artisan. I work with my hands. I'm a welder. I do all kinds of artisan work in metals. And so, you know, I get a salary like everybody else. You know, I'm not broke, but I don't have that kind of money to dish out. Well, that's pretty much the pros that I have. So, whoa. What a fucking asshole. What the yo, he just blew by me, that fucker. Man. Well, anyway, let's talk about the cons. Well, HD warranty can be expensive. That's a fact. You can always buy third-party warranty, but, you know, I heard some negative things and some positive things about that. You know, maybe some of these third-party warranties don't want to cover the same things that Harley Davidson does. So, what do? Do you stick with HD, or do you get that third party just because it's cheaper? Here's one that I've heard several times. Some HD dealers won't cover some things when you are entitled to warranty work. Now at this point, what you need to do is you're going to have to call corporate. You're going to get on that phone and holler at them and get the dealership to warrant the parts or whatever that needs to be done. I've heard that. And the same goes for the third party warranty. They may not cover everything, and I think I said this previously. They may not cover everything. So what do? You paid for a third party warranty thinking they're going to take care of the same thing that Harley Davidson take care of, but yet they don't. Now you got to go fight with these people or these companies that sold you that warranty, and now you're out of shit and you can't pay for what you need done for your bike. Your bike's going to sit in the shop or whatever. I don't know. So again, the question is, do you warranty or not warranty, or get that third party, or get the HD? Anyway, let's hope that you make a sane decision on this. You know, these are just my opinions. You can fact check me, so please leave a comment below. Let everybody see your experiences with third party, HD, whatever. Just put it down in the comment. Signing off now. Rub it down. Peace to everybody, and be nice to everybody.